Market Update in Northbrook. Hi, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird & Warner Limerick office. For this May, our average sales price is up 7%. It's at $572,666. The market time in Northbrook is 64 days, and that's down 40% over last year. So what we're seeing in Northbrook is a bit of buyer fatigue. So they know the routine now. They see that a new property comes on the market on Friday, and then they're doing showings all weekend, and the seller's asking for highest and best at the end of the weekend. So I think some people are taking a back seat and waiting it out. Others really do want to buy a home, and they're putting their best foot forward. The average last list price sold is 98%, which means that the sellers on average are discounting it 2% if it hasn't been a new listing on the market. As far as the absorption rate, remember from last month, that means if no new properties came on the market, it would take 1.9 months to clear out the old inventory, and that is down 58% this month. And lastly, I would suggest that if you're considering doing any kind of upgrades or work, have an idea who you want to work with for your general contractor, as well as some ideas on your Pinterest board, or have an idea of what your budget is so that when you see that a bathroom needs to be updated, you have an idea of what that's going to take. The average interest rates as of today are 5.27 on a 30-year fix, so they have been steadily rising. Now, what can you do to be successful in this market? So there are a few things. The most important is to get ready. So we're going to want to have your pre-approval or lender letter ready when we put in our offer. Try to research the neighborhoods that you're looking in before you are ready to make an offer, so that when we have to make a decision quickly, you've done your homework already. To hear more tips, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Caroline Gow, Baird & Warner, and connect with me on the socials. I'd love to help you pave the way to a successful sale.